Hello guys. So in every attempt, I see students struggling to book their exam. They face certain challenges. So I thought, why not make a video on step by step process? I can guide you in the exam booking portal itself on how to book your exam. And in the meanwhile, I can also guide you for some do's and don'ts while booking the exam. One additional point before I start the video is I believe you are aware that from March 2026, a remote exam option is not available for you guys. Okay. So now let me quickly start. So this is your My ACCA portal. I believe you already have the access to this My ACCA. If you don't know from how to reach the My ACCA portal, I will give you the link of this My ACCA in the description box. Now you will have the login credentials to it. Okay, if you just enter the login credentials and click on sign in, you will reach your My ACCA account. Okay. Now, as you reach the My ACCA account, you have to click here in the My Qualification window. My Qualification. Okay. Click on My Qualification. Then here you will see an option for book an exam. So click on book an exam. Now here you are seeing an option for add an exam. Add an exam, right? So you can click on add an exam. Now, if you can see, there is no option for remote exams here, right? There is no such option for remote exams here. Now, let's suppose if I select SBL as an exam. Now, center, if I click, they will ask me India. Okay, yes, India. Location, if I select Bangalore, confirm. They will again ask me SBL. Click on it. They will ask session CBE. Yes. Click on I agree. Add to your plan. Now the paper is added to my plan, but the process is not yet complete. So what we have to do is, since it is a center based exam, we have to check the center availability. Okay, so confirm availability. Click on confirm availability. Okay, it will give you the list of available centers. Okay, now click on this exam. Click on this exam. It will give you some policies which I believe you should read at least once. Scroll down and agree to it, because without agreeing you can't proceed forward. Now what you have to do is you have to find your center, but before that you have to click on the exam date and then find your center. Let's suppose if I have to find a center in Delhi, if I have to Bangalore, let's suppose Bangalore. If I have to find a center in Bangalore, so I type Bangalore and click on enter. It will give me the list of all the centers available in Bangalore city. Okay, now you have to select the center nearest to your home where you reside. And also there will be some time slots option available. Here I can see only 1:30 p.m., but there will be three options available. One in the morning 9 a.m., one in the afternoon 1:30 p.m., and one towards evening slot will also be available. So just see which slot is best suited for you, which center is best suited for you. Select the center, select the time slot. Okay, and then click on OK. So now see, all the details are coming here: the paper, the duration, the date, okay, the timing slot, the center name. Okay, now click on next. So now again, it is asking you to review your booking. Okay, review your booking. So just I will request all of you to please go through all the details, particularly the paper which you have selected, the center which you have selected, and the time slot. These three things are of quite importance because the date will remain the same. Date is the same. Date you can't change anyways. Okay, paper, center, and time slot. These three are the important things which you have to review here. Okay, and then click on confirm. Now again, see the details, everything fine. Click on finish. The process is not yet complete. The process is not yet complete. The exam has been added to your plan now. Okay. But before payment, nothing can happen, right? So you have to click on agree and proceed to payment. You have to proceed to payment. As you make the payment, let's suppose if I click on proceed to payment, okay, Then let's see what are the options available to us. So I think they will give you three options: credit card option, PayPal option, and there are other options also. Okay, so you have definitely, you can pay according to your convenience. Okay, as you pay, your exam is booked, your exam is booked. Okay, but guys, please take care of few things. Okay, while selecting the center, while selecting the center, just try to check the reviews of the center from any students who has appeared the exam in that center. It's a strong recommendation. Now, while going to the exam on the exam day, there are few do's and don'ts for which I'll make a separate video. But one thing is there: you should have a photo identity card with you. You can't take this type of water bottle with you. You can't take this type of water bottle. It should be fully transparent water bottle that you can take. Okay, you can't take any digital watches. You can wear this type of watches, but you can't take any digital watches. Okay, so there are few things keep in mind, for which I will make a separate video. I believe this video would have helped you in booking your exam. If you need any further help, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys. Bye bye.